Hi everyone, I'm here to talk to you about a new Autumn Winter 20 women's lifestyle waterproof and padded jacket to the range. It is called the Brigid. It is a waterproof Hydrophore 100% polyester fabric which comes with tape seams and a durable water repellent finish. It is insulated with Regatta's Thermoguard insulation so it keeps you nice and warm. It features a printed taffeta lining, so if we sit down the jacket and have a look on the inside, you can see the printed lining. It features an internal security pocket, so while the jacket is zipped down, we can have a look at the internal security pocket, which is located here. It is a fully grown-on hood, so showing you the grown-on hood with adjusters as well, which are located to the front. It has adjustable cuffs with snap fastenings.
I'll do it this week.
To make sure you get the fit that you want, it has an adjustable drawcord waist, so it brings it in around here. It comes with two lower pockets with flaps and branded snap fastenings, like this here and here. And to finish off, this jacket comes with a fishtail hem. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.